everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be what's in my travel makeup bag. So basically I will be showing you what I was carrying in my carry bag that I was carrying when I was traveling. So recently I was in Bhubaneswar for a week and then 2 days later I was in Mumbai. I've explained about everything in my Q&A video, so if you haven't watched the video, click the I button right here. Although I've unpacked everything because it's been a while since I was in Bhubaneswar and Mumbai, except my travel makeup kit, just so I can share all the product that I like to carry when I'm traveling and how I travel light and how I ended up doing this makeup on my face using all the makeup product and skincare. Also watch the video till the end because I'm hosting a giveaway on my channel. If you don't know already, we are 30k subscriber plus. Thank you so much. This is so amazing. We need to just go up and up and up. Okay, so this is my travel bag. I got this makeup kit or makeup bag from Anjuna Flea Market, Goa, when I was in Goa for the month of April. This is very compact. This fits all my essentials and look at the pattern in this. I love it. So this is a cloth makeup bag, not at all monsoon friendly, but it's nice. Comes with one ziplock which I have already unlocked, and then all the essentials are in this bag. So first thing that I have, these are tissue papers. Bhubaneswar and Mumbai, they both are coastal areas, so it's very humid in those places, so that is why tissue paper are must for me, just to wrap up the excess oil on my face. Next thing is a wooden comb. This is by the brand Vega. So in the humid weather, our hair tends to get very chip and oily, and sometimes it gets very poofy. So just to get rid of all the moisture from our hair, this is a great remedy because wooden soaks up the moisture, so that is why a wooden comb. Next thing is a face wash. This is by the brand The Nature's Cool Cucumber Face Wash. This is the only travel size product I had at that time. I had no time to shop and buy new travel size products, so that is why I was carrying this. This gave me breakout, like crazy breakouts, when I was in Bhubaneswar. So why are you in my bag? I don't know. When you're traveling, you are surrounded by bacteria and germs, whether it's train, it's airplane, public toilet, places, all places. So you must carry a hand sanitizer. So this is by the brand Lifebuoy. Packaging chali gayi iski puri. Kya likha hai isme? I don't know. This is something boosting hand sanitizer, kills 99.99% of germs. This is a must have for me. So let's begin with the first thing that I used on my face. So this is aloe vera gel. So this is Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. I just transferred some in this travel size pocket friendly bottle and I wrote aloe vera gel in it just so I can remember it's aloe vera gel and nothing else. I like to use aloe vera gel after I'm done washing my face to soothe my skin. Yes, this also acts as a primer, 2-in-1 product. Next thing is a sunscreen. I will be showing you my sister's sunscreen because my sunscreen recently got over when I was in Mumbai. The bright time pe it got over, so now I have my sister's sunscreen. This is something recommended by her dermatologist. So this is by the brand Face Card. This has SPF 30+ in it and this is quite good actually, mattifying also. Next thing is a lip balm. I was carrying Nivea Original Care lip balm. No matter what season and weather it is, lip balm is must for me. So that's entire skincare done. So the point of this travel makeup kit was that if I'm running late and have no time to get ready, I can use the travel makeup kit and use all the product that I have and do my makeup and skincare. That's the entire point of carrying all my essentials in one compact bag. Talking about all the essentials, this is all the essential makeup that I was carrying. I put my mind through it, kya zaruri hai aur kya zaruri nahi hai. You do not need to overpack, especially when you know that you will be carrying all this product in your carry bag. So you do not want to overpack your carry bag and make your bag heavy for your shoulder and kill your shoulder basically. So first thing is a must thing, that is a mirror, because then how will you do your makeup? So the mirror I was carrying is by Color Bar. Basically this is a compact powder that I was carrying. So this has mirror and I can see myself in this mirror. Next thing, lipstick. This is by MAC Ruby Woo. I can use this in multi-purpose way to color correct and also use this as a lipstick. If you don't know already, you can use red lipstick to color correct. Blend the red lipstick with concealer. So now what concealer I was carrying? I was carrying the Wet n Wild concealer. So what I used to do, mix some of the Ruby Woo with my concealer to create a peachy pink corrector and use that under my eyes and around my lips to color correct pigmentation. Wait for 2 minutes and over that apply the concealer. I wasn't carrying any foundation because because come on, you're traveling and you do not want to apply everything on your face. अगर मैं foundation को ditch भी करती हूँ, concealer is must for me. To set the concealer comes the compact powder that I was carrying. I was using the compact powder with the help of the poof that came with the compact powder. Yes, I washed this before Bhubaneswar and Mumbai just so that I can use clean products all over my face. And the base is done. You can see it looks my skin but better using just 3 products: your lipstick, your corrector slash foundation slash concealer, and compact powder to set the base, and that's it. Now moving on to eyes. When I'm traveling, I know that I will smudge the kajal away because I have watery eyes, you know, so kajal टिकता नहीं है मेरे आँखों में. अगर वो waterproof smudge proof kajal भी होगा, then it will last for about 4 to 5 hours only, and that's it. Then I have to reapply the kajal or clear up the lower lash line part just so that I won't look like a panda. So I was carrying single eyeshadow with me so that I can apply this all over my eyes, my eyelids, and contour my lower lash line and define my lower lash line with this. So this is the eyeshadow I'm talking about. This is by the brand Body Shop. This is in the shade Purple Topaz 305. So Body Shop was having their 50% sale off going on, so I bought this for 50% off. So originally this was priced at rupees 750. So 750 ka half would be 375. I know it's a bit expensive because you're getting only one eyeshadow. If you're starting off with makeup and you don't know what eyeshadow to invest on, this is what you need in your life. This will suit all skin type. Trust me, this is such a beautiful shade. This one has, you know, a bit of purple reflex to it also. Such a pretty beautiful shade this is. You can see that. And just to define my lower lash line, because I wasn't carrying any kajal with me to define my lower lash line, so I was carrying extra brush. So this is by the brand Sani. This is flat smudge brush. Love this brush. This is very easy to use. This can give me the smoky look that I need on my lower lash line to define my lower lash line. And now moving on to eyebrows. So I was carrying Maybelline Duo Shaper. So one side has got powder product and the next side has got wax pencil. It is so important for me to define my eyebrows, fill up the sparse areas that I have on my eyebrows. It brings out the entire look and it changes the look of your face. Even if I'm going for grocery shopping, I will make sure that I've done my eyebrows. That's a little information I shouldn't have given you. I was carrying mascara, my favorite mascara, a waterproof mascara. I usually do not recommend waterproof mascara on a day-to-day basis, but if you're traveling, then it's a must for you, especially for the weathers like Bhubaneswar and Mumbai. You know, coastal area, humid area, sometimes you can smudge away your mascara and end up looking like a panda. So to avoid that, your waterproof mascara. The one I was carrying by the brand Maybelline New York, the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express mascara. So how to apply mascara? Get rid of the excess and then wiggle through your lashes, and that's it. And also if you want to tightline your waterline with the help of the mascara, just make sure you're wiggling, how to explain that, like wiggling properly to your, you know, upper lash line to the tip of your lashes so that it can tightline your upper lash line also. And now comes the lipstick. Can you guess what lipstick I was carrying? If you have been following me for the longest, then you must have guessed it right. I'm talking about Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 55. I've marketed this lipstick so well that now Miss Claire should definitely contact me for a collaboration. High hopes. Okay, this is not at all long lasting and this will transfer if you're eating or drinking, but this is very comfortable. Love the formula. The formula is something, love the formula. And the other lipstick that I was carrying, I've already told you about it. This is Ruby Boo. This is Ruby Woo by MAC Retro Matte Lipstick. This is blue toned red. Love this color to the bits. So right now on my lips I have Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 55 and dabbed a little bit of Ruby Woo over Miss Claire lip creams just to darken out the lipstick. And yes, I was carrying some other lipstick in my other makeup kit that I was carrying in my big travel bag, and I used to switch the lipstick here and there just so that I can have the lipstick with me that I was wearing that day. Okay, that being said, this is my travel makeup kit essential and what I like to carry in my carry bag. Now coming to giveaway, first I will show you what you will win in this giveaway, then we will move on to rules. So this is the giveaway pouch. I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm hosting a giveaway on my channel. I've collected this all just for this day. This contains some of my favorite skincare and makeup goodies, so let's see what's in the bag. And this is by the brand Westside. My sister bought this for one lucky winner. This is such a beautiful bag, very steady, and also this is waterproof, water friendly, and this says, the bag says, everything starts with a dream. So true. Now let's just unzip it and I will show you and what you will receive. Number one thing is for your face. So this is our Skin Science Activated Charcoal face wash. Activated charcoal is really good for your skin, so I'm giving away a face wash by Wow Skin Science, so you can wash your face and clean your face with this. And next thing after washing your face is something to relax your face. For that, I'm giving away one of my favorite facial masks by the brand Motsub. This is the only facial mask brand that I've tried, and I loved this so much that I thought, you know what, I'm putting this in a giveaway so that you can try this. So one of you lucky winner will try this mask on your face. Next thing is something for your lips. Maybelline New York lip kit. So this one has a lip balm in the shade Cotton Candy, and there is another lip balm. Now next thing in this giveaway, you're going to love me for this. Miss Clay Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 55. Yay! It's in the giveaway. I know you all love this so much. I always get comments in my comment section that, oh my god Shalini, this is out of stock. Where can I find this? Here, you can find this here. And last things are nail paints. So this is by the brand My Glam. This is their duo nail pen set. So one is this beautiful coral color and second one is a pink color. Because there wasn't any nude nail paint in this giveaway, so I thought, you know what, let me put a nude nail paint in this giveaway. So this is by the brand Alenza Infused Avocado Oil, 100% vegan. So that's all you will receive in this giveaway along with this pouch. So now coming to rules. Please listen to these rules, otherwise you won't be able to participate in this giveaway. So rule number one is pretty simple. You have to be a subscriber of my channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media handles. That is my Twitter handle and my Instagram handle. If you don't know already, yes, I have a Twitter handle. You have to like and share this video and comment down below telling me what you like about my channel the most. Also, don't forget to use the hashtag #IShallGiveaway with a single L to participate in this giveaway. And that's it. So I will announce the winner on this date right here. So that being said, this is it for today's video, you all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this and learned something from this video, and I hope you participate in the giveaway. Yes, check out the description box for all the details for the giveaway. There is going to be only one winner, so make sure you participate and do not miss out the information. So check out the description box. Check it, go check it. Okay, now what else? Like, comment, share and all those good stuff. I'll see you all next time. Bye.